When it comes to Chinese New Year, I prefer recipes that are simple to make yet still feel festive. And this steamed herbal chicken is one of those recipes. It takes very little effort, yet delivers maximum flavor. And to make this extra special, I'm going to wrap the chicken in baking paper and foil. It's going to lock in all the flavors and the moisture. After steaming, the chicken is so tender and moist. And you get a lovely, fragrant, savoury and sweet broth. Now let's marinate the chicken. Before that, make sure you clean the chicken thoroughly. Inside the chicken, if there are any red clots, make sure you remove them. I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt, rub all over the chicken, inside the chicken as well. Now I'm gonna let this marinate for 2 hours. Okay, the chicken is done. Let's prep the herbs. Now before I introduce the herbs, I just want to say that every family has their own version. The herbs I'm using is going to add a lot of natural fragrance and sweetness to the dish, so you end up with a savoury, fragrant and sweet broth. Now if you're not familiar with Chinese herbs, don't worry. You can always buy those pre-mixed herbs for herbal chicken that have been pre-packed from the supermarket or a Chinese herb shop. Okay, now let's move on to the herbs. Here I have tong gui, tong sum, bak kei, red dates, dried longan, goji berries, yokchok, and Chinese yam. Now before we assemble the dish, I'm going to give the herbs a quick rinse. Okay, now let's assemble the dish. Place the aluminium foil on top of a deep plate. And place 2 sheets of baking paper on top. Chicken. Now we're going to stuff the chicken with the herbs. Take half of each herb and place it inside the cavity of the chicken. And place the rest of the herbs next to the chicken. I'm just going to fold the legs in and add some water inside the chicken. And pour some water over the herbs. Now let's seal the baking paper. Cover it with aluminum foil. Okay, it's done. Honestly, this is the only tricky part. Just make sure you use baking paper that is big enough to wrap the chicken. Once the water comes to boil, place the chicken in the wok. Reduce to the lowest heat and steam for 2.5 hours. It's done. Let's see. Wow, so good. Transfer the chicken to a serving plate and pour the sauce over. Let's try one piece. And it's so soft, juicy. Wow. Add some sauce. This. This is so good. I hope you try this recipe. See you in the next video.